AOFAR AF 4580 Military Compass. Find your way anytime, anywhere. When you're out exploring, a dependable compass can be a lifesaver, and the AOFAR AF 4580 is built for the job. This rugged, waterproof compass is designed to handle all kinds of weather, making it a perfect companion for hikers, campers, and adventurers. What makes it even better? The dial and hand glow in the dark, so you can navigate easily even at night. No need for a flashlight, just a quick glance, and you'll know your direction. It also comes with a sturdy holster and strap, allowing you to attach it to your backpack for quick access on the go. Despite its tough military-grade design, it's lightweight at just 180 grams, so carrying it around is effortless. Plus, it's surprisingly affordable. You can get all these great features for just $13.50. Arcturus Survival Blanket. Stay warm, stay safe. If you love outdoor adventures, the Arcturus Survival Blanket is a must-have. Weighing only 640 grams, it's super light and easy to carry in your backpack, car, or emergency kit. But don't let its weight fool you. This blanket can be a lifesaver in tough situations. Made with a mylar layer, it traps body heat to keep you warm, while also reflecting light to make sure rescuers can spot you if needed. Its two strong polypropylene layers make it durable enough to use as a tent, ground cover, or even a rain shelter. Whether you're camping, hiking, or dealing with an unexpected emergency, this 1.5 2.1 meter blanket has you covered. Compact, tough, and reliable, this survival blanket is perfect for any outdoor trip. And the best part? It only costs $22. For a small price, you get a tool that could make a huge difference when you need it most. The Toyota Isodynamic Sport Seats are designed to take comfort and performance to the next level. Whether you're off-roading, taking tight corners, or cruising on the highway, these seats adapt to your movements for a smoother, more controlled ride. Built with advanced suspension technology, they absorb bumps and shocks, reducing strain on your body and keeping you comfortable even on rough terrain. What makes them special? These seats adjust dynamically to your posture and driving style, offering better support and stability. They feature high-quality materials, ergonomic padding, and a sleek, sporty design that enhances both luxury and function. Whether you're driving long distances or pushing your vehicle to its limits, these seats help reduce fatigue and keep you focused on the road. Toyota's Isodynamic system uses smart engineering to balance comfort and control, making it perfect for performance-driven drivers and adventure seekers. With a futuristic design and advanced motion response, these seats bring a new level of driving experience. The Mini Striker RD is a small but mighty crossbow designed for those who want power in a compact size. Weighing just 2 kilograms, it's easy to carry, yet strong enough for serious use. With a force of 68 kilograms, it can take down small game like hares from 30 meters away, making it a solid choice for hunting and outdoor activities. What really sets this crossbow apart is its speed. The arrows travel at an impressive 120 meters per second, which is incredibly fast for a crossbow of this size. Whether you're into hunting, target shooting, or just love cool gear, the Mini Striker RD delivers both power and precision. For $300, you'll get the crossbow along with 3 arrows, so it's ready to use right out of the box. Its compact design makes it easy to pack, so you can bring it on camping or hunting trips without adding extra bulk. The MSK-1, or Multi-Scenario Knife, is a rugged survival tool built for adventure. Designed by expert and former Marine David Pinsky, it's made to handle tough outdoor situations. With a 170mm blade, it's strong enough for cutting, chopping, and more. But what makes it special is what's hidden inside. Its handle scales can be removed to reveal a set of survival tools. Whether you need to start a fire, catch fish, collect water, or fix your gear, this knife has you covered. It also comes with a high-quality sheath and a ferro rod striker, so you're always ready to spark a fire in any condition. Every detail of the MSK-1 is crafted for practicality, making it a great choice for survivalists, campers, and adventurers. Built to be tough, reliable, and multifunctional, this knife isn't just a blade. It's a complete survival kit in your hand. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or preparing for emergencies, the MSK-1 is designed to help you stay ready for anything. MSR Evo Trail Snowshoe Kit, your ultimate winter adventure gear. If you love exploring snowy landscapes, the MSR Evo Trail Snowshoe Kit is a must-have. Designed by Mountain Safety Research, MSR, a company that's been making top-notch outdoor gear since 1969, these snowshoes make trekking through deep snow easier and more stable. One of their best features is the versatile bindings that fit almost any type of footwear. Outland Multi-Mission Axe, built for anything. The Outland Multi-Mission Axe, MMA, is more than just an axe. It's a rugged all-in-one tool designed for tough jobs. Whether you're in the military, law enforcement, or an outdoor survivalist, this tool has your back. Crafted from a single piece of hardened S7 tool steel, it's built to handle serious impact without breaking. The axe head doubles as a hammer, making it useful for smashing or driving stakes, while the lower part of the handle features a wrench, cutter, and crowbar. Need to break through barriers or pry something open? This tool does it all. Its ergonomic grip pads ensure a firm hold, even with wet or gloved hands, giving you full control in any situation. Measuring 38 centimeters long with a 10-centimeter blade, it's compact yet powerful. While it's a premium tool with a price tag of $425, it's an investment in durability and reliability. Whether you're on a mission, in an emergency, or just need a tool that won't fail, the Outland MMA is built to perform. The Polar Pupil, a tiny yet mighty companion. The Polar Pupil is a pocket-sized tool designed to keep you on track wherever you go. It features a liquid-filled core compass with a glowing dial, ensuring you always know your direction, even in the dark. Packed in a tough GR5 titanium case, it's built to handle rough conditions and even water exposure, making it a durable, everyday accessory. What makes it even more exciting? It comes with a 15 mics magnifying glass, making it useful for reading tiny details or starting a fire in an emergency. Its unique eye-shaped design isn't just for looks, it symbolizes how it will always guide you in the right direction. Whether you're an adventurer, camper, or just love cool gadgets, this little device has got your back. Weighing just 47 grams, it's light enough to carry on your keychain, backpack. Potable Aqua is a trusted name in water purification, even used by the U.S. Army. One of its best products, the Aqua Pure system, makes dirty water safe to drink using electrolysis. It removes over 99% of bacteria and viruses, giving you clean water no matter where you are. With a single charge, it can purify more than 150 liters, making it perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency situations. Worried about water quality? The kit includes test strips so you can check if your water is safe. And you won't need to stress about running out of power. The built-in solar panel lets you recharge the battery using sunlight. This means you'll always have a working purifier, even in remote areas. The Aqua Pure system is lightweight, easy to use, and built for adventure. Whether you're exploring the wilderness, traveling off-grid, or preparing for emergencies, this device ensures you always have access to safe drinking water. At just $100, it's a small price to pay for peace of mind and health. Rattler strap flint laces, fire at your feet. Getting a fire started in the wild can be tough, especially when matches get wet or your lighter runs out of fuel. That's where Rattler strap flint laces come in. These shoelaces are designed to do more than just keep your boots snug. Each pair has built-in ferro rods, turning your laces into a reliable fire-starting tool whenever you need it. The RSI Smart Canopy is a tough, stylish, and highly functional truck canopy built for adventure, work, and everyday use. Made from high-strength stainless steel, it's designed to handle rough conditions while keeping your gear secure and protected. Whether you're a camper, contractor, or outdoor enthusiast, this canopy transforms your truck bed into a more organized and weatherproof space. What makes it special? It features lockable, gull-wing-style side doors that provide easy access to your tools, camping gear, or any other essentials. The built-in rail system allows you to mount extra accessories like roof racks, lights, and storage solutions, making customization easy. Unlike traditional canopies, the RSI Smart Canopy is lightweight yet incredibly strong, ensuring durability without adding unnecessary weight to your truck. Sharple, the ultimate survival sharpener. Why carry multiple tools when you can have one that does it all? The Sharpall isn't just a sharpener, it's a smart survival tool packed with useful features. First, it has two types of sharpeners: tungsten carbide blades for fast sharpening and ceramic blades for a smooth, polished finish. You don't need any special skills. The angles are already set for perfect results. But this tool isn't just for sharpening. It also includes a built-in ferro rod, so you can start a fire wherever you go, and a powerful 110 decibel whistle to call for help in emergencies. That's not all. It features a conical diamond rod, perfect for sharpening small hooks and serrated edges. Plus, there's a hole designed for a T-handle, which you can turn into a paracord grip for extra convenience. All these survival essentials come in a compact, pocket-friendly design, making it a must-have for adventurers, campers, and outdoor lovers. Thermarest Z-Lite Sol Sleeping Pad. Lightweight, warm, and tough. For campers and backpackers looking for a lightweight yet reliable sleeping pad, the Thermarest Z-Lite Sol is a solid choice. Weighing only 283 grams, lighter than two iPhone 15s, it won't weigh you down on your outdoor adventures. What makes it stand out? It has a special reflective layer that helps retain 15% more body heat than previous models, keeping you warmer during chilly nights. While it's designed for summer, it's comfortable enough to be useful in other seasons too. Plus, it's built with closed-cell foam, making it tough against punctures and rough surfaces, so you don't have to worry about tears or leaks. Unlike inflatable pads, the Z-Lite Sol is ready to use instantly. Just unfold it and lay it down. No pumping, no hassle. It also folds up easily for compact storage. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just need a quick rest outdoors, this pad offers a great mix of comfort, insulation, and durability. Wasp knife. A blade with a powerful punch. The Wasp knife is unlike any regular knife. It comes with a shocking twist. Inside the handle, there's a hidden carbon dioxide, CO2 cartridge. When the blade strikes something, it injects a powerful burst of gas through a special channel, causing an explosive reaction. This knife was originally designed as a defense tool against large predators like sharks. The sudden expansion of CO2 can force an attacking animal away, giving divers a chance to escape. But its power doesn't stop there. Someone even built one by hand for a watermelon cutting contest. And let's just say the watermelons never stood a chance. While it may look like an ordinary knife at first glance, the Wasp knife is built for extreme survival situations where a standard blade might not be enough. Wise Owl Outfitters dry bags. Keep your gear dry, no matter what. Whether you're camping, kayaking, or hiking in unpredictable weather, keeping your gear dry is a must. Wise Owl Outfitters dry bags are the perfect solution, offering waterproof protection in a lightweight and durable design. These bags come in 3 sizes, 5 lilo, 10 lilo, and 20 lilo, so you can choose the perfect one for your adventure. Made from tough 190D polyester, the same material used in rugged workwear, they're built to withstand the elements. The secure roll-top closure with a strong D-clamp ensures a tight seal, so even if the bag takes a plunge into water, your belongings stay dry. Perfect for carrying clothes, food, electronics, or emergency supplies, these bags are easy to pack and carry. Whether you need a small bag for essentials or a larger one for bulkier gear, there's an option for every need. Plus, they're incredibly affordable. Grab a single bag for just $7 or get a full set of 3 for $24. XOP Vanish Tree Stand. Stay silent, stay steady. The XOP Vanish Evolution Tree Stand is built for hunters who need a lightweight, strong, and quiet platform. Weighing just 5 kilograms, it's easy to carry on your back, making it perfect for long treks into the woods. But don't let the lightweight fool you. It can support up to 159 kilograms, giving you a sturdy and reliable place to wait for your target. One of its coolest features is its 15-degree tilt capability, allowing you to adjust for the perfect position in uneven trees. Unlike traditional stands with hollow tubes, this one is built with an I-beam design, making it much quieter. No more clanking metal giving away your spot. At $180, the Vanish Evolution is a great investment for hunters who want durability, comfort, and stealth. Whether you're deep in the forest or setting up near the perfect hunting spot, this tree stand helps you stay hidden, stable, and ready.